We are seeing unprecedented growth in artificial intelligence implementation in all sectors. While AI is a key driver of economic development and a tremendous lever to create value and transform our society, many challenges remain, particularly in terms of adoption by industry actors and then by end users. To support this adoption, industrial actors need a simple and effective solution to have full confidence in the AI they are integrating into their systems, especially if these systems are critical, such as if their errors and failures are likely to have serious consequences. Confiance.ai was born with this ambition. It is a technological research program that enables industrial actors to integrate AI in their critical systems with complete trust. To this end, the Confiance.ai program brings together a group of major French academic and industrial players in the fields of defense, transport, manufacturing, and energy, who will pool their cutting-edge scientific and technological know-how. To ensure trust in AI-based systems and to enable industrial players to comply with future regulations, Confiance.ai has made it its mission to design and offer a trustworthy environment. It is modular and interoperable and consists of a set of methods and tools that can be integrated into any engineering workshop. After assessing the requirements and taking the specifications into account, the trustworthy environment provides engineering workshops with the right tools to adapt each of them as smoothly as possible without requiring a comprehensive transformation. Furthermore, the trustworthy environment provides a set of design guides available to all users, whatever their role, to support them throughout the process of creating a system based on trusted AI. This trustworthy environment is a simple and effective solution intended to become a genuine ally for industrial actors.